Okay. So GCP cloud platform. So today we are going to start database. Okay. So in the search box you can give here cloud SQL, I think. This one, name again changed. Okay. Okay. Cloud SQL is a service in GCP like AWS RDS. So in Azure also we already discussed Azure MySQL. So this is GCP cloud. So GCP cloud related cloud SQL platform. So click on instance. Just wait, some link issue is there. Can anyone share the link here? Yeah, thanks. Okay, just click on a instance, create instance. So 8.4, 8.0, 5.7, 5.6 versions are there. Take. So here we have a enterprise plus enterprise. Same like in AWS we have free tier, production, something is there, right? So you can take development. If you are in the enterprise plus, it will show production or dev and test. Enterprise, I think it's a free tier sandbox, Azure sandbox. Okay. So keep 8.0 version here, and username password is common like AWS RDS also, Azure also. So instance ID you can give here. I'm giving for example. Password also you can give. So directly this user will be created in the MySQL. Oh, let me check which password I have here. Next, choose region and journal availability. So this region, if you can select multi-agent, the cost will be applied here. See hourly cost. Single agent 2.06, multi-agent double. One more region will be, one more agent, same setup will be created. So next, customize, show your configuration options. You can see here 2 CPUs, 8 GB RAM, 10 GB hard disk, public IP, automated, single zone, enable, network throughput and all. Okay. So here mission configurations, if you want to change CPUs and all, you can click on it. Go to storage. If you want to change the storage also, enable automatic storage scaling is common for everywhere. RDS or Azure SQL and GCP SQL also. And connection, if you enable a public IP, one public IP will create, you can directly connect. Security, yeah, this is just keep as is. And maintenance, you know, right? Maintenance window, maintenance time. If you give maintenance any window means you are giving any time is okay. But if you give specific time, Friday something, a specific time, so the maintenance window, this will be activate a particular time only. Clear? So that's it. Same like RDS. Nothing is there here. Backup process, maintenance window, connection and type and storage, single AZ or multi AZ and single same as it is AWS RDS only. So if you select Enterprise Plus, for example, you can see cross region process also. Okay. Yeah. So for example, if I want to choose production, we'll see Enterprise Plus. We can see, for example, if I select this, we can see two development or productions. If you open a production, same username, same password. If you select multi-agent, okay, I think this is not updated. Let's wait. Refresh. Taking time. Just wait. Yeah. If I go for Enterprise Plus version for plan, for example, MySQL 8.0, give instance ID, any name you can give, no problem. So password you can give. Okay. Here if you can see, okay, the costing, whenever I can select single AZ, multi Jones, but this cost is still showing same. It should change. Maybe let's go for custom actions. 16 CPU. So 4.49 is the cost. I think this will change later create time. It should increase. 33 dollars by increasing the CPUs. $96, $27. 80 CPU, $22. 32 CPU, 8.8. In this case, if I go for enterprise sandbox, 2 CPUs, 2.026. You can see 2 CPUs, 8 GB RAM, 10 GB. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's now, I'm taking here US Central. Okay. So US Central region. Single zone or multi zone. If I select multi zone, cost will be different. Okay. If I select single zone, cost will be different. Okay. Next, storage keep as is 10 GB. As we are testing only. Connection, if you enable public IP, assign external IP for your RDS instance so that you can able to access from the workbench and all. If it is a private IP, you need to create one more server, bash server. You can connect from the bash server. You can run a shell commands, or you can connect workbench to private RDS also, so private cloud SQL also through workbench. So public IP, I'm giving, you can specify CIDR range to allow IP address, those range access your instance. If you want, you can add. Okay. Otherwise, you can leave it also. For example, if I give, you can specify CIDR range to allow IP address. Yeah. So one IP will create, right? So which range it has to be allow. So you can use something test 0.0.0.0. Any traffic I'm using, see you are using any traffic, so this is not secure. They are saying no problem for the testing only. And security background it will take care. Data protections, so automated daily backup, same like AWS, 7 days, number of days. So backup window already have enabled before. So day of logs, if you want to change the backup windows, you can change the timing and all. So maintenance, if I give 1 week, So any window, backup window, maintenance window, not should overlap. Okay, if should not overlap, otherwise it will get an error. So I just give any window, no problem. If you want to give a specific, ensure this is not repeat here. Backup window, this time it will be take a backup every time. If you give maintenance means this backup window not work at that time, so problem will come. That's what they're not overlap the both cases. Okay, yeah, that's all are, and you can create now. Service network not enable. Mm, which service network? Let's give something different name. Single agent SSD public IP. You can specify serial IP address door range access. This is correct. I'm creating reader only, right? Gemini is, where is Gemini? Okay. No need to do, right? Why this much of store it is saying that it should create in default network. Let's verify something we miss anything. Single zone, enterprise only, SSD, connection public IP I have given, authorized network. Let's delete for example. Prevent inst. If you are trying to delete, prevent instance also there. Okay, okay. Playground service network not enable. Huh? Why playground? Where network? I mean this is, yeah, where it is. Hmm. Which box here? some API may be disabled. So okay, but oh, okay. I think Google Cloud inside APIs may be disabled by default. We should enable. Oh, we should enable. Okay, okay. Okay, it's creating now. Connection we'll see later. Okay, meanwhile. Oh, I remember now, correct. Hmm. Aina, I think I have done that time also I have enabled maybe. Now I'm recalling. This is done now, yeah. So in this case, if I give public IP, let's try now. Some instance is coming automatically. 0 0 0 0 by 0. Okay, done. Hmm. Let's try. Okay, so API enabled, then working fine. Okay, so GCP we have to enable APIs. It's creating. So I have created one Telegram group. So whoever got a job, let me know. I will add you in that, so that internally you guys can help in the your task also something. So I'm creating a platform now. So definitely 100 plus members will be joined soon. So that what we can do, if you are having any issue, all are doing real-time activities, right? Someone can maybe help you. This is the intention. Eligible to join this group is job. Okay. I always think why 20, 25 members only getting a jobs for each batch. I mean, what I know, I'm saying that number only. As I know, experienced persons, they're not informing me. If internal project change or internal hike, different company, they are not informing. Only for non-ITs, freshers only I'm talking about. So experienced persons definitely, if they follow day one to day and 100% hike, still I'm stick on that. Definitely it is possible. But still non-IT experience, non-IT career gap students, why I'm completely investigated already. I have investigated many batches why this is happening. Only 10 members, 15 members, 20, rough 20 members only. But if non-IT background team or freshers background, if 50 members they join, I can say 40% only success rate. What about remaining 60? I'll just think every day like that only. What about 60 means? No consistency. I can say only the reason. If you want to see, wait. This one. Yeah, okay, perfect. 22 members, including me. Okay, including Naveen Gara. So external 20 members. If I count here, 15 so 30 members. Registered 160 members. 130 members already. That's what. Why 22 members, 25 members only get a job? I'll inform to Naresh IT admin team. This is the proof. Enough. See, I'm the person who can track everything. You don't know that. If someone can question me, my end 10 questions will rise. This is the proof. See, trainer is working. Trainer also challenges are there, but he is coming Saturdays. He is taking sessions Sundays also. You're a job seeker. So what is the problem to attend? Problem. Saturday problem. No calculations. Simple logic. That's it. 100% I can say that whoever got a job, they did hard work. Definitely. I can say that now also. I know who will get job also. Clearly I can say that. So, yeah. This is a main problem. Not only here. Java same problem. Python same problem. Data science same problem. Data science. I'm taking mentors interviews. Even 30 years back, I don't know. When computer come into the market. Yeah. So, database created, database instance is created now. So this compared to Azure database, AWS database, this process is very easy, especially database also. For example, 10 a.m. So let's go to here. Yeah, we can see everything here, only the dashboard configuration, 2 CPU, 8 GB memory and 10 GB hard disk. Connect the instance, these are the details you can see. Even if you can take this connection name, and this is the public IP. Which one? This is a public IP, and username and password if you can give, you are able to connect the Google Cloud database from Workbench. Okay, so we can see now here, view in full screen also we can see. This is the present the load after 10:15. So maybe whenever you can create a database, the background some process will be initiated. You can see the load on this. If you can click CPU utilization 5.895 percentage only the at this time load. You can see in the tables chart also we can see. Okay. System insights, you can see. Wait for some time, yeah. So you can see system insights directly Grafana dashboard integrated. So CPU utilization, so disk utilization, log error, something is there. Everything you can see here only. No need to configure any dashboards and all. Log entities, the storage and all, everything you can see. Clear? Yeah. So you can see the load is 18% and something. After we can run some queries, it will be change. Yeah. Query inside. Especially for query inside, AWS, this is not supporting for free tier, but Google Cloud will be supported. Let's wait. Yeah, guys, if you can see here, one day, 1 hour you can check. Last 1 hour is there any data will be added here. This is the only the thing. Okay. So query insights means if you run a specific query, the specific query, how much CPU it is taking, how much resource it is taking for the specific query. So by checking the query insights, we can validate. For example, guys, in your team person, they have executed one query, but the query is processing a bulk data without any filter. Directly select star from database. If they run, but the database contains billions of records, what will happen? All records will be processed, right? In this case, definitely more hardware will be take from your database. So you can check the query insights. If your database is something issue is there, immediately you can check the query insight. If someone may run any bad query, because of this maybe the query that taking more resources, so that DB maybe hang sometime, we can easily understand by checking the query insights. Okay. So yeah, connections, network security connectivity test. If you can enable API, you can check connectivity test also here. As per your network configurations, this is working or not, it is going to be test now, or anything is blockage. Okay. So very clean dashboard. GCP very clean dashboard. Okay. If you can see backups, meanwhile we can check your backups. So I have enabled, but this is by default 7 days automated backup, right? Yeah. So days of log retained means what? Every 7 days it will be retained. Okay. Location multi-region US. Okay. So this is what, whenever you can create a database, automatically first backup will be updated for automated backup 7 days. Again, after 7 days you can see one more it will be update. Again after 7 days one more it will update. So these backups will be run continuously every 7 days. This is called automated backup. If you want to take a specific backup, you can take a backup here, give us some name, custom backup and all. You can create. Yeah. So now custom backup also creating. Okay, existing custom backup. till now it will create the data till now. Okay, let it create. So one more backup you can see later. Yeah. Next, I think, yeah. Okay, the problem is there in the read replica. If you can see, create read replica option is here, grayed out. You can read here, you can easily understand. Create replica from any primary instance to replicate your data. Yes. For enterprise plus instances, a cross-region read replica can be designed as a disaster recovery replica to minimize the downtime due to regional outages. Okay. Well, read pool offer highly available reads and horizontal read scaling. Okay. You can also create a cascade replicas to build a replication. Okay, that's fine. Let's create a read replica. You know the process to create a read replica, right? Yeah. So read replica, this option is not possible to take automatically selected. Your database is an enterprise version. So read replica also updated enterprise version. So same process, right? Read replica also same configurations, storage same, connectivity. So public IP connected automatically as database is public. So data protection, this is prevent instance. Data protection means prevent instance deletion. I'll show you. I'll try to delete my database. It's unable to allow to delete because of data protection enable. Yeah, you can see security and net connection public IP. But here something is missing. One configuration is what it is. Main and read replica. If you compare, everything is same except one thing. Okay, let me tell you. So you credentials. Okay, so main we have give username and password, but read replica no credentials. Same credentials will work for the master credentials. So yeah, you can check here. Single zone read replica I'm creating here. So create a replica. So created. Let's go to overview now. All instances. You can see main read replica, same region so that you can see. Let's try to connect main now. Even you can directly connect from here also. I don't have permission for this. Let's try with root credentials. Hmm? Okay, root not supporting. Manage users. Add user. User A. Password is not required. Allow any host. Cloud IAM. Okay, not required, right? Allow any host. So add. User A added. Now let's go to Cloud SQL Studio. But I have not given password. Will it take now? Huh? Password mandatory, huh? Hey, why these many pop-ups? Okay, let's give password also then. I mean, if you take this one, okay, let's go to password also. Yeah, this is expecting password. No problem, we can create a password also. So, yeah. So let's create a users. delete this. User A, so definitely required password. Okay, Cloud SQL Studio, MySQL, user A. Why not coming? Hmm? Not database credentials. Your end is working, huh? I have created user, right? That's what I'm asking. If you do like this, it's working your end. Hmm. Yeah, but I have tried. How I have tried? That day, I think. I did something at the time. Uh, okay, these permissions. I remember. Okay, missing permissions message to contact your. Okay, maybe they have Dora set issue. I think. Yeah. Okay, let's connect from external anyway. So let's take endpoint. So here endpoint means public IP only. Okay. Connection name you can give anything. I'm taking the connection name here. Go to the SQL workbench. So open the new connection by giving the same name. So host name means your public IP, external IP. So password. Username. Veera given, huh? Huh? Let's go and check. This user. I have given name right. What's the name I have given? Not that user. Database creating time I have given user, right? Okay, you can try root. Veera Nani, something I have given. Narnia. Then it should work, right? Sorry, we can try with root. Okay. Okay, so take some script here to create database and all. Okay, let's create a database and insert the data. So I'm creating a database and then insert the data also, and also let me run a select star from query also. Okay, okay, done. Let's go to here. You can see now query insight. See, it's taking more load, right? Query insight, you can see just now I executed one query. It's taking these CPUs. Now you can see the metric system insights also. Yeah, there is some difference also here. You can see query latency, how much time it is taking to execute a query. This you can see just now I have executed MySQL query. So this is the time it's taking. Yeah, the cache and all. So everything is very clear here. We can easily check the specific load and all metrics. Let's go to backups. I have created one backup, right? So yeah, created. See which one? This is on-demand backup. So this is system created backup. Okay, the difference you can see. So connections, you can see I have given 000 so that I'm able to connect. Default network you're using. If you want to check firewall, you can, oh yeah, so you can see here ICMP 33 TCP, but the firewall, the rule allowed for the instance is running in their GCP premises, so that you are unable to see VM and irrespective of the rules and all also. Okay, yeah, but I have enabled public IP, right? We are unable to see the public IP here. Public IP enabled and created and enabled into GCPN where the VM is running. Okay, yeah. If you want to modify, you can come and you can do the modification here. Networking modification, you can disable the network, disable the public IP, so that no one can connect, only private IP only they can connect. So that's what, if you are trying to connect from the workbench, not possible. So we need to create a one more GCP VM as a bastion host to connect the network. So if you can try to connect the read replica, let me open a duplicate tab here. So let's create a connection for the replica. You can see overview, all the instances. You can go for read replica. So read replica also we have a public IP separate one. So take this, first you can take the connection name. Connection name you can change also, I think no problem. Yeah, host name is replica host name. Yeah, this is the one you can give here. So username keep as is here. So here I'm giving password. Successfully made a connection. Okay, now you can open replica. So you can take this query, copy, simply you can run. No database select. Database name is what? Database use school, copy, and yeah, thanks. Use school, then you can run now. You'll get the response. See, same data replicated into read replica. And here there is some difference, guys. One student informed me at the time. Yeah, something he said. If I try to, yeah. So delete option is disabled to delete a main. Okay, for this, okay, this is different one. Sorry. This is the reason for what? Protection enable. Where it is? Connections, huh? I think security, right? Delete protection enable, right? Connectivity test. No, 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 no. Networking. No. Here only I think. See. Uh, hmm? Yeah, that also fine. Okay, let's go for edit. Then we can check. Mission configurations. Yeah, data protection. Uncheck. Save. Okay. So go to databases instances. Let's wait for some time. Storage used also we can see directly here. Let's try. Refresh. Let's check read replica. This is so data production, save. Okay, all instances. Let's yeah. Okay, so main delete option is not there until delete the read replica. You can delete read replica, then main also you can delete. Okay, deleted. So refresh. Deleted main also. Whenever you can create final snapshot, it will take automatically. So replicas, backup, databases. So you can see databases also we can easily visible here. I have created a school database, right? So we can see if you want to create, you can also create one database name if required. Portal itself. Backups we know, replicas you know, users already discussed user here. Next connections we know, just network and all. Query insights. Whenever you can run a query, you can see the query insight. System insights. Cloud Studio to connect database directly. So yeah, system insights also giving good information here. But your end it will work, yes, definitely. It's a cloud actually. In Plura side, user creation strictly restricted actually. Azure and GCP also. Even Azure also I'm unable to create IAM user. That's what I have given to chance to Shruti. Okay, thank you so much. So, tomorrow we have a workshop. So you